In this video, we're going to be seeing if we can use Google's new Multimodal Live API with Gemini 2.0 to guide us through the Synthflow application from finding and then building and deploying an AI voice agent for my fictional car dealership as a complete beginner. So this is going to take a few minutes. We'll see how we get on. I haven't rehearsed this, so it's going to be the first time doing it. So we may hear some bugs, but let's do it. Now, if you haven't been familiar with this Multimodal Live API, you can find it in the Google AI Studio, but basically you can talk to it in real time. It can also see your webcam, so you could share what you're looking at and also share your screens. Without further ado, let's toggle on this camera. We'll start talking to it and then we're going to share our screen and we're going to provide some context about what we expect from this task. Hello.
Hello to you too. Is there anything I can help you with?
Yes, there is actually. So I'm going to share my screen with you. I found a really good tool called Synthflow.ai, and the task is to help me build a voice AI assistant for my car dealership. I think it's possible, but I'm a complete beginner, so I'd like you to guide me through step by step which buttons to click and explain the application for me to see if we can get a voice assistant live. Ideally, if it is possible, I want to create an assistant that can remind people or customers that they've got a car service approaching or upcoming. Does that make sense?
Sure, I can help you with that. It sounds like you want to create a voice AI assistant for your car dealership using Synthflow.ai, and you'd like me to guide you through the process step by step. Is that correct?
Yeah, that's great. I'm a complete beginner, so if you just let me know where to click, that'd be great.
Okay, let's start with the Create Assistant button in the top right corner. Could you please click that?
Yes, I can actually. Okay, done.
Great, what do you see now?
I think you can see my screen.
Yes, I can see the screen. There is a pop-up with 3 options: Start from Scratch, Quick Assistant Setup, and Browse Our Templates. Which option would you like to choose?
What do you think?
Since you are a beginner, the Quick Assistant Setup might be the easiest option to get started. Would you like to try that?
Yeah, that might be a good way. Should we check if there's any suitable templates first?
That's a good idea. Let's click on the Browse Our Templates option then.
Okay, I'm done.
Great, now we see a list of templates. There is a car dealership category with 3 templates in it. Do you want to take a closer look at those?
Yeah, let's click that.
Okay, the car dealership category has 3 templates. There is buyer-led capture, seller-led capture, and service reminder. Which one of these would best serve your needs to remind customers of upcoming services?
Actually, I think you saw that wrong. There's actually a receptionist, special offer, cold caller, and service reminder.
You are absolutely right, my apologies. The car dealership category has receptionist, special offer cold caller, and service reminder. Since you mentioned you want to remind customers about their car services, the service reminder template seems like the most suitable option. Do you want to try that one?
Yeah, that sounds good. I'm just going to review the details quick to see if it's suitable.
Okay, it looks like the service reminder template is an outbound assistant that uses English. It's designed to ensure customers never miss a critical maintenance appointment. Does that sound good?
Yeah, that actually sounds perfect.
Great. Now you can click on the Create Assistant button at the bottom right of that pop-up to proceed.
Okay, I've clicked that. Now I'm through to a new screen.
Okay, it looks like we are on the deployment page now. There are different options to connect this to different platforms. Do you have a preference?
I don't, but it says please specify a valid phone number in orange. That looks fairly important.
Yes, that is important. It looks like you need to select a phone number to use with your assistant. There is a drop-down menu under phone number that says select a phone number. Can you click that?
Okay, done.
All right, now you have a phone number selected for your assistant. Is there anything else you'd like to set up on this page? Or do you want to proceed to the next step?
Yeah, let's go to the next step. Why don't we just review, it says prompt on the left-hand side. What does that mean?
Okay, you want to check the prompt section on the left menu. It looks like that's where we can customize the message your assistant will send to customers. Would you like to take a look?
Yeah, I've just clicked into it. Seems like a lot of text on this page.
Yes, this page provides a full script of the message that the assistant will use. It's broken down into sections like custom greeting, who you are, your goal for the call, and so on. Do you want to make any changes to this script?
Maybe we just leave it as it is. I guess. Can you customize this?
Yes, you can customize the script. To do that, click on the Edit Prompt button in the top right corner of the screen. Would you like to try that?
Okay, yeah, I've clicked it and now it's opened it up and I can scroll and it seems like I can edit this prompt.
Correct. Now you can edit the text in the prompt to your liking. If you don't want to edit anything, you can click the Save Prompt button in the top right corner when you are done.
Okay, I'm just gonna change like the name to Tom, and then maybe, is there a way to do, okay, I've saved that actually. Is there a way to place a test call? Okay, looks like my Gemini assistant just got toggled off. But you can see that we get all of these real-time messages as I navigate through Synthflow. Now, the idea behind something like this would be as a bit of an assistant to help you build your voice assistants. Now, we didn't get all the way through there. As I said, this is an experimental feature from Google. It's called Flash Experimental 2.0 at the end of the day, but it was pretty good at helping me navigate through the application, pointing me in the right directions of where to click and what to do. So if you are new to Synthflow and potentially don't want to watch all of my videos in the Academy because you're sick of my voice, then this might actually be a good one for you. So if you go to Google AI Studio, I think it's actually free now. Start sharing your screen and have some conversations with it, and maybe open up Synthflow at the same time and see if you can get guided through how to build and deploy an assistant. Now, this can help you with a lot of things. Whatever you're stuck with, you can probably share it with Google and it can help you through. So hope you enjoyed this video, a little bit of a different one for you today. And remember, if you do want to watch more of our videos, you can find them located inside of the Synthflow Academy. We've got a bunch of courses and content available for you. We also do some live workshops on how you can build and deploy your voice assistants or agents in just a few minutes. So hope you enjoyed this and catch you on the next one.